We will show you how to connect the docking station and charge the iMOW robotic mower. Start by shortening the wires. Slightly tension the wires and cut them off along the edge of the docking station with a wire cutter. Then, strip the wires for about 10 millimeters and twist them so that no single strand sticks out. Thanks to the cable markers and the symbols on the panel, it is quite easy to match the wire ends to the right terminal clamps. Successfully guide the individual stripped wire ends through the respective cable holders in the corresponding clamps. Then close the cover and replace the hood until it audibly and noticeably snaps into place. Now fully unwind the charging cable and install it outside of the mowing area. The cable should not be entirely tensioned and not be installed on permanently wet soil. Also, ensure that people cannot trip over it. Now connect the charging cable with the plug of the power supply and connect the mains plug to a correctly installed socket. Finally, move the iMOW robotic mower as far as possible into the docking station. The mower will now perform a system start and will charge.